Alright, so this is a comment in response to a video I made about an Amazon affiliate program. So let's clear the air and make things clear. Number one, I said if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in general, just leave a comment and I will send you my free guide basically to get started. And that's exactly what I've given you. Number two, you received an email from me with the free guide directly, no string attached. Number three, I personally don't teach at the moment. Whenever people want to learn what I do and become successful at it, I simply just recommend training courses or programs that I've tested through my personal results. And yes, I'm an affiliate for that course along with 5 different other products. Number four, the guy you're referring to is my mentor, and he's the person who taught me everything there is about the make money online and affiliate marketing in general. And his course is optional for those who are interested in investing in their education. You do not have to buy the course to get my free guide, just so you know. At the end of the day, just ask yourself, do I have plenty of time and I want to invest my time to try and learn it all by myself? Or do I want to learn from someone who's got a decade of experience, the life I want, the results I want, and it's gonna save me a lot of time? Anyhow, if you want to get my free guide and the same $7 training course that helped me quit my job and teach me everything I know about affiliate marketing, then comment 7 down below and I will send you the link to your DM.